Hello everybody. So this is my setup for making videos with Zoom and like all the meetings, Microsoft Teams and Google meetings and all this stuff that has been going on through the pandemic. But I'm not really a fan of it. This is a new office that we assigned or a new room that we assigned to be an office in the house. But I'm not happy. There's a couple of things that I don't like, and the first one is the space feels tight. I don't like the fact that the wall is lighter than me. I also originally I thought that this canvas over here, which I love, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful shot of the Northern Lights. If you haven't had the chance to see them, like, hopefully one day you'll be able to. It's an amazing show. But I thought it would be really great to have here in the background just to show it, but it turns out that it doesn't really work in this space because I have to be really careful where I sit. If I sit a little bit more over here and I have the camera pointing this way, then I'm okay, but I don't like this cut over here over my head. If I move the camera more this way and then I want to center myself more in the shot, then I suddenly get horns. I hate that, don't like it. So I'm done with it. I think we're going to work a little bit on this. I have some plans. We're gonna make this wall darker. We're gonna put a couple of shelves that are gonna be the same color of the desk, maybe a little bit darker. So we're gonna have a lot of work to do, and we're gonna make decisions as we go and see how that looks, and hopefully we get a good result. I came to Home Depot to get all the supplies, and the only thing that I didn't find was the wood stain. So there's a Canadian Tire really close to here, so we're gonna go there to see if we can find it. The stain that I usually get is special walnut, but the brand that they have here in Canadian Tire is different. I've used this one. It's just a little bit warmer, which I don't want. But I'm seeing this other one beside that is called Early American. So I think we're gonna go with that one. So I took some time this morning to clean the garage and finish some things that I had pending to do. And so it's time now to cut the shelves. We're gonna be careful with the measurements just because of the way we're gonna lay them out. But if anybody's interested for the measurements, I can add them in the comments. I'm not gonna go there unless somebody asks for them. But let's cut. look at that. What do you think? So, well, I'm really happy with it. We'll see what else we need to put in there, like just maybe some lights or something just to make it look a little bit nicer. But I'm really happy for now. So, hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.